This is your Sane Reminders page. On this page, you can view, manage, and create reminders. If you need to create a new reminder, just enter a reminder address like tomorrow@sanebox.com in the text field here and give your reminder a subject. Directly below, you'll see exactly when we'll drop that reminder into your inbox. When everything looks good, just click Create Reminder and it'll appear in your list of pending reminders below. If you need to make any adjustments, just click the Edit button and you can change when we deliver that reminder. Or, if you no longer need the reminder, just click Remove and we'll get it out of your way. Here, you can also sync your reminders with calendar services such as Google Calendar. If you click on Previous, you'll be taken to a list of your past reminders that SaneBox has already sent. If you need to reuse one, just click the Reuse button off to the right. And clicking Settings will take you to your reminders settings, where you can change things like the default reminder time. And as always, if you need any additional assistance, just let us know and we'll be happy to help in any way we can.